Good morning, second grade. I just wanted to say that we're excited to have you here today, and I have my friend Spidey as a guest this morning. We're going to look at our lesson page 136, and it's page 271 and 272. So let's see if you can stand back, Spidey. I just want to make sure you can see. Let me just put his whole outfit. There we go. All right, that's much better. All right, now you can get the full view of Spidey. So you should have your phonics page out in front of you. We're gonna go over that in just a minute, but make sure it's page 271 and 272. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and look at our chart for today. It is chart 10. And one of the things I do want you to see is that Spidey has chosen to do something today. When we go through our word, we have to flick like a spider, flick out a web. So go ahead and say that with me. If you can't say it, you'll know the special sounds. Go ahead, you can say that part with me. Say it with me, ready? What in whale? W-H, in who? W-H, in patch. T-C-H, ear in ear. E-A-R, air in bear. E-A-R, in earth. E-A-R, old in gold. O-L-D, in lamb. M-B, oo in flu. E-W, U in few. E-W, E in rainy. Hyphen Y, in bigger. Hyphen E-R, est in biggest. Hyphen E-S-T, lee in slowly. Hyphen L-Y, N in sharpen. Hyphen E-N, S in peaches. Hyphen E-S, ild in child. I-L-D, ind in kind. I-N-D, good job. Now, Spidey, you can go ahead and have a seat over there. Today, we're going to continue to talk about our abbreviations. So we remember that an abbreviation is a word that has been shortened to make it smaller, just so that it's easier to write. So on the board, I have written one of these abbreviations correctly. Spidey, do you see which abbreviation is written correctly? I have Sunday, Monday, and doctor. Go ahead and circle your abbreviation that was correct. Do you see one that's correct? Remember, when you have an abbreviation, you should look to see if it has a capital letter, and what else should it have in order for it to be correct? It should have a period, a dot at the end. Which one of those was written correctly? Good. And Spidey, which did you choose? Spidey, stop. Which did you choose? Sunday. He chose Sunday. Now look at Monday. There are errors in the word Monday. Notice two things are missing. If you see them, shout them out right now. Go ahead, Spidey's going to make the change, and then if you did it correctly, give yourself a high five and do 2 jumping jacks. Oh, there was a period. We forgot to put a dot at the end. Good. Good job. High five. Let's high five. High five it out. Oh man, Spidey. Okay, there's another thing. Let's look. There's one more thing. What else? How about in the word Monday? Good. Monday should have been capitalized. So you can either capitalize it, or we know to capitalize something, we put underneath it 3 lines to show. Good job. All right, let's look at the word doctor. What is not correct in the word doctor? Now, Spidey saw that we needed to have a dot at the end. Good job, Spidey. Was there anything else in the word doctor that wasn't correct? Good job. Again, doctor should have been capitalized. We always capitalize our punctuation, capitalize our abbreviation at the beginning, and then you have to have your punctuation at the end. Now, the next thing that I want to look at, we talked a little bit about last week when we were looking at nouns. Now, a noun is a person. Did you say person? Did you say place? And did you say thing. Spidey says thing. So a person, place, or thing. And that's what we're looking for in sentences. Now, sometimes when we are going to add an adjective on to our noun, we have to look and use specific words. When we have the word "and," you'll notice, Spidey, what does "and" go with? When we have the word "and," it has a noun that starts with a vowel. If we use the noun has to start with a consonant. Now remember, our vowels would be your A, E, I, O, U. Your consonants would be all the other letters. B for Ben. I would be your An for Isabel. T for Tyler would be let's see, Aaliyah would be a vowel. That would be An. Lily would be a consonant. That would be Okay, so all of those things. Let's see. Oh, Ben would be a consonant. Let's see who else is in our class. Zeke would be consonant. Who else is in our class? Ella. Almost all the girls start with a vowel. And Zoe would be consonant. What else? Who else is in our class? Oliver, are you there? It'd be Ann. Raylan would be a consonant. Who am I forgetting? Micah, that would be consonant because it starts with the letter M. Did we get all of our classmates? You think we got all of our classmates? Oliver, Aaliyah, Zoe, Ella, Lily, Isabel, Ben, Tyler, Zeke, Micah. I think we got them all. All right, now let's look here. I have some nouns that are not names, so these would be objects or things. We said Raylan. We did say Raylan. We didn't forget Raylan. I remembered him. All right, bug. Notice what bug starts with. Does it start with a vowel or does it start with a consonant? If you think it's a vowel, stand up. Not a vowel. If you think it's a consonant, spin around. Oh, it's a consonant. Good, so we will use the letter A. There, so I'm going to have Spidey put A under. So we say a bug, a bug. Now, how about insect? Insect starts with a vowel. Good job. When we have a vowel, we use an. An, insect. So Spidey will put an, A-N. How about onion? What does onion start with? Does it start with a vowel or does it start with a consonant? Did you choose vowel? Good job. So you should have put or said an onion. Go ahead, Spidey, put an onion. An onion was in the field, or an onion was on my burger. An onion gives you stinky breath. How about the last one? Pillow. Pillow, does it start with a vowel or a consonant? Pillow starts with a consonant. So you should have put a pillow. A pillow. Good job. Now, I'm going to have Spidey go ahead and sit down. On your page today, I want to look at the front side of your page real quick. So it's talking about abbreviations. Once again, all of these you should be able to do on your own. Remember, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, those are all like the first letters of the word, and then you add your capital with your punctuation. Now, for section 3 on your paper, I'm going to give you a few things, and you need to have a green crayon, an orange crayon, a red crayon, and a blue crayon. So listen real quick to these and find the words and color it in with the crayon. Find with your green crayon and mark the circle next to the word that belongs in this sentence. Our new puppy dragged one of my blank under the bed and chewed it. What would they drag under the bed and chew up if it's a puppy? Color that word green. Next one, take out your orange crayon. With your orange crayon, find the word that would fit here. Dad put his new blank on the desk in his office. What would he put in an office? Mark that word orange. Color in that circle. The next one, you need your blue crayon. Use your blue crayon to fill in this word. In science, we learned that the sun is really a blank that shines on the earth. What word would go with sun and would help shine? Color that blue. And then the last one, with your red crayon. The first time I saw blank in the mountains, I could not believe it was so big. What would you see in the mountains that would be big? Color that word red. Now look on the back side of your paper. On the back side, it's asking about an and a. It's asking about an and a. Now on that page, it says here, I'm going to give you a sentence. Blank outdoor adventure is waiting for visitors. Now outdoor starts with a vowel or a consonant. Which one would you choose, Spidey? Outdoors, you should have chosen an. How about the next one? For blank exciting trip, try camping on a beach. Exciting. Does it start with a consonant or a vowel? Exciting. Starts with a vowel. You should have chosen an. Next one. You might see a manatee or even an alligator. So let's look at manatee. Manatee starts with a consonant. You should have chosen a. How about alligator? What does alligator start with? Alligator starts with a vowel. You should have chose an. Good job. Now down at the bottom, circle yes or no if it's a complete sentence. Let's do the first one. Did you see that pink bird? The first thing you want to look to see if it's capitalized, and then punctuation. Did they have a capital and the correct punctuation? They did, because they chose an interrogative sentence with a question mark. So you would choose yes. How about, let's go down to the third one. A flat spoon-shaped bill. Now, do they have a capital? They do. Do they have a period at the end? They do. But let's see, do they have a subject and a verb? A flat spoon-shaped bill. What am I talking about? Did you? They talked about a bill. What did the bill do? Do we know? We don't know. So this one is not complete. You should have chosen no. Now the rest you're going to do on your own. I hope that you enjoyed our lesson today, and we will have more for you later this week. Have a great day.